My goodness!
Oh, got off work early, so I'm about to try to adjust this passenger side coil over, raise it up a little bit, because it's just, I want to lean a little bit. Granted, I also think I need body mounts to center this car a little bit better. So, but first we're gonna do this. Should I be cheesy and get some billet hinges?
Hell no!
Well, went and got some gas. Belt ain't slip off, so that's working. I gotta figure out what's up with this trans cooler though.
24 hours later.
You'll be able to hear it, but this is the trans fan. That was the ground-to-ground connection. I just got to figure out in this Holly what I'm doing wrong. All right, well, I figured out the trans fan situation. Had to call the homie in Michigan, also called T-Mock, but he didn't know that it was wired up wrong. So, yeah. And then, of course, man, what would I be without the good homie Lefty? Lefty told me from the jump to check the wiring. And me being hard-headed, I ain't even gonna say hard-headed. I did check it because, hold on, I'll show you why. Hold on 1 second. All right, this is my old Current Performance box. And as you can see, this wire right here is gray-green. Is it gray-green? Man, I'm just colorblind. God damn it, Rashad.
Shit!
Anywho, I did something wrong. The homie from Michigan, he caught my mistake. Now my trans fans work. Hold on, I'll show you. Because in the parameters, I got it set to come on like right now. See, right now they on because it's set to nothing. So I'm about to do this little connector, some heat shrink, set my parameters back, and then put all this behind me. So I won't have to be worrying about these trans fans no more. Also, when I was driving it, somebody asked me how much I wanted for my car, and I gave him a price.
40, shawty.
40.
Yeah.
And yep, that's the price that I told them. So, hey, I'm trying to take somebody up top if I sell it. Right, to show that it's working, should be able to hear that. But this is on one trigger, and the water is at 107. So, let's see, should go off. There we go. So we'll put this at 100, and then we'll put the other trigger, get that. So we'll put this back to, where is it at? There you go. RPM above. Let's see. 500. Let's see. Put it above 400. All right. Hey, also, Jason, that's old boy from Detroit. Thank you once again. I don't even know if you're gonna see this video, but thank you, my brother. All right. So, yeah. So hopefully this is all good. So in closing, fuck this company. Granted, I'm gonna use these when I build that, but fuck them. I'll never order anything else from them. Well, I thought it recorded, but it didn't. But the reason I'm cool on that company is because I accidentally ordered the wrong length spark plug wire. Well, it's not even the wrong length. It's because the bracket that I have that holds the coils, it makes it sit up higher. So they didn't work. And I took one spark plug out, one spark plug wire, and saw that it didn't work. Contacted them. It took, first of all, it took about 24 hours to get all this worked out just for them to tell me they wouldn't take it back. They didn't offer me a restock fee, nothing. They said, we can't honor your return. And then the dude told me, what the hell did he tell me? It don't even matter. He told me some nonsense. So, yeah, fuck them. Granted, I'm going to use them because I bought them, tried to sell them to somebody. Well, not somebody, Lefty. But he ain't like the price because he didn't realize how much they cost. And it was just me being bougie. But I got to add this in there because I thought I recorded the clip me showing all this, but I didn't.